be discussing the details about cybercrime law, which is mentioned in this video. So first, what is cybercrime law? So cyber law, otherwise known as internet law, is the area of law that regulates how people use the internet. Any law or regulation that involves how people use computers, smartphones, the internet, and other related technology is cyber law. So first, cybercrime is defined as a crime or illegal activity that involves a computer and a network. And law is a system of rules or order that is advisable or obligatory to observe and may enforce with imposition of penalties. So when we say cybercrime law, it is a system of rules that must be observed when using a computer, cell phones, and internet. One of the first law in the Philippines which specifically criminalizes computer crime is the Cybercrime Prevention Act of 2012 or the Republic Act 10175. So, Cybercrime Prevention Act of 2012 or Republic Act 10175 is an act divided into 31 sections, split across 8 chapters, criminalizes several types of offense, including illegal access or hacking, data interference, device misuse, cyber squatting, computer-related offenses such as computer fraud, content-related offenses such as cybersex and spam, and other offenses. So Republic Act 10175 aims to address legal issues concerning online interaction and the internet in the Philippines. In the Philippines, more than half of the total population is using the internet and technology either for online communication, entertainment, business transactions, database, and etc. And mostly na gumagamit ng internet are millennials and Gen Z, or group of age of people, especially the younger ones, are unaware of the certain acts na bawal sa internet. The acts punishable under the Cybercrime Prevention Act includes computer-related identity theft, cybersex, sharing of fake news, and cyber libel. So the first act is computer-related identity theft. So computer-related identity theft, as defined in Republic Act 10175, is the intentional acquisition, use, misuse, transfer, possession, alteration, or deletion of identifying information belonging to another, whether natural, juridical, without right. Most common known example of computer-related identity theft is imposter or fake account, which is mostly ginagawa para mag-gain ng madaming followers and reactors. Next is cybersex. So cybersex is defined in Republic Act 10175 is the willful engagement, maintenance, control, or operation, directly or indirectly, of any lascivious exhibition of sexual organs or sexual activity with the aid of computer system for favor or consideration. So sa Pilipinas, dumarami ang kaso ng cybersex trafficking, which is the live sexual abuse of children streamed via internet, which is sineset up ng mga nakakatatanda in exchange for money. Next is sharing of fake news. As defined under Article 154 of the Revised Penal Code, unlawful use of means of publication and unlawful utterances. Any person who by means of printing, photography, or any other means of publication shall publish or cause to be published as news any false news the interest or credit of the state. So, fake news are false and misleading information that are presented as news. The worst perpetrator when it comes to spreading of fake news is Facebook. And Facebook is one of the biggest and most popular social media platform. So, mas mabilis kumalat ang fake news. So, Facebook is not a totally reliable source when it comes to news. So, the last one is cyber libel. So, as defined under Article 353 of the Revised Penal Code, definition of libel. Libel is a public and malicious imputation of a crime or of a vice or defect, real or imaginary, or any act, omission, condition, status, or circumstance tending to cause the dishonor, discredit, or contempt of a natural or juridical person, or to be blocked in the memory of one who is already dead. So cyber libel is when someone has posted or emailed something that isn't true and damaging about someone else on the internet. For example, Facebook, yung mga mahilig mag-share ng mga issues and mag-leave ng libelous comments or paninirang caption about sa taong involved sa issue without knowing the whole story or whether the story is true or fake news lang. So, these acts are punishable by either imprisonment or a fine if done. So, we need to be aware of the acts we do using technology and network. That's all. Thank you.